Most drivers would categorize this particular situation as a low-risk situation, cruising on a quiet road, and all of a sudden you are forced to intervene to avoid a major collision. If you check that driver deviating suddenly to the left, which is not a big deal, but now he starts to pick up speed and cuts me off without any warning whatsoever. I avoided collision by deviating swiftly around. If I braked, I definitely would have collided. What surprised me the most, when I looked at my rear view mirror, the driver just kept going. Just to recap, the driver was intending to make a U-turn, but clearly no indicator, obviously no mirror or blind spot. I urge everyone, whatever you're doing, you've got to check your mirrors, you've got to indicate to communicate with other drivers, and do check your blind spot. It is real. It's proven scientifically beyond doubt. Blind spots are real. By the way, I was driving a big Land Cruiser, and if I hit that driver, it would have been very serious. Drive safely. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.